In the last lesson, we've looked at how we could produce Facebook ads with the use of ChatGPT. Now, for this video, we'll be exploring how we can create highly effective Google Ads campaigns using the power of ChatGPT. So, it is an advanced AI language model or an artificial intelligence that we can utilize to simply create our ad campaigns. So, by the end of this video, you'll have the general knowledge and tools to boost your digital marketing game and get better results for your business. So the first thing that we can simply do to actually generate a Google ad is we can simply create a prompt. So we can just again type it in here. We can just say create a Google search ad optimized for my buyer persona. And then of course we're gonna specify what we're selling. So selling an online course about how to utilize ChatGPT. And let's also have ChatGPT include headline. Let's say headline, and of course also some description, display a URL, final URL, keywords. I'm gonna say keywords, and add extensions. You can just press on enter, and you can see that it says that conversation is actually not found here, and that's because we need to just select this. I'm gonna go here inside the buyer persona that we have created here, and then I'm just gonna press on enter. So let me just delete this one, and I'm just gonna be pressing on enter. Now at this point, ChatGPT would be using the information or this chat right here, all the information that we have generated so far to fully complete and create this Google ad here. So you can see we have this nice headline. And again, headline is actually important because it is the first thing that your user or customer will look at. So you need to have a compelling headline to make sure that the audience are going to be continuing with your article or blog or ad in this case to actually just scroll down and read all of the other content. So we have this a nice description. Discover the power of ChatGPT AI and take your marketing campaign to the next level with our comprehensive online training course, gain in-depth knowledge, practical use cases, and proven AI marketing strategies. So it also highlights like a call to action button, which says enroll now and start optimizing your marketing effort today. So we have this display URL. We also have this final URL here. So it also includes some keywords. So you can see that we have this keyword chat GPT training, AI marketing strategies, AI content generation, chat GPT marketing, AI copywriting tools. Down here we have some ad extension. You can see the site link extension. So it has additional links to other relevant pages on your website, such as pricing, testimonial, and features. We have a call extension, we have a local extension, a review extension, and a call out extension. So you can see there are some guides on what this extension is all about, like the location extension shows your business address and a map of your location to attract local customers, so on and so forth. Now, if you're not satisfied with this keyword here, you can again go to your Google Ad Keyword Planner. So let me just open up my link here. You can just highlight this from your tutorial assets folder. I'm just gonna highlight that again, copy that, and then you can go to your browser again and paste that, just like what I have in here. So let me just cancel this one out. And in here, you can simply use this tool here to generate some keywords. So let's say you want to actually just type in ChatGPT, and let's just try and see what results we can get. So we have this chat GPT here. You can see the average of monthly searches. That's at 100K to 1 million search. So you can also see some like a click conversion rates with this one. So this you can use this information, and actually it's just a one keyword here. So you can simply say, let me just cancel this. I'm gonna say marketing. I'll add another keyword here. Press enter. Let me just get the results here. So at this point, we should be able to actually get more result. So we can include ChatGPT, add another keyword like marketing, because we're going to be using ChatGPT for our digital marketing. So you can include all of these keywords in here, and you can just copy paste them. You can go back to ChatGPT, and then from there you can actually just like put on the keywords right here, so that it will be generated along with this content right here. Now, at this point, you can also, let's say, like add some URL if you already have one. But then what's most important is the headline, the description. So again, you can ask ChatGPT to just create you their the headline and the description, and of course, it will be using its wide range of knowledge-based parameters to create you a compelling headline and description. We can also like if you don't know what you're actually doing here. So let's say you're just like a startup, a business owner, and you don't want to actually like hire someone to help you with your marketing campaign for your business. If you want to build more like a branding awareness, or just get some more audience or customer, you can actually ask ChatGPT to, let's say, how can I create an effective Google ad for my business, which is, let's say, a milk tea. And at this point, ChatGPT should be able to provide you some guides. So you can see that creating an effective Google ad for your milk tea business requires carefully planning and a deep understanding of your target audience. So here are some tips to help you get started. So you can see we have this number one right here: define your target audience, identify your ideal customer based on factors like age, gender, location, interests, and this will help you create ads that resonate with them and drive engagement. Grab attention, grabbing headlines, focus on unique selling propositions, use compelling visuals, incorporate call to actions, utilize ad extensions, and there are also some examples right here. So you can see it also provided us some examples, but then it only did this because we already have this conversation from our previous video. So we have actually built on the information that it needs to create that example. So you just need to create or give ChatGPT the information it needs, like the audience, the target audience, your product, the service that you offer, so on and so forth, so that it can easily create your complete ad campaign. Now, at this point, if you don't have any, let's say, persona yet, again, you can just go to prompts that chat. And again, if you open up the tutorial assets folder, you can simply copy this link or this link right here. It's just the same. It's just that this one is actually a GitHub repository. It's actually an open source that some developers can just put in their prompts and update that certain link there, or the certain information that's in there. But in here, it's actually a website that you can just go on and check on some collection of personas. So right here, don't be confused with when I say persona. When I say persona, it's actually like a role that we give ChatGPT. So when I say a persona right here, I'm referring to a role that we're giving to ChatGPT so that it could act as a certain person or an expert to that certain field. But then when I say a buyer persona, it's actually like our market audience or our target audience, like the demographics, like what age, what a certain industry are they interested in, or what certain topics they're interested in. So just don't be confused with those two. So right here we have our like a collection of different chat gpt prompts. So you can just again type in, let's say, advertisement or advert. So there we have four match in here, and like on our last lesson, we can actually use this act as an advertiser. And you can see that it's already giving, or it already specifies a target audience. It also says that we let ChatGPT to develop key messages and slogans, and we have here the certain information like the product and our target age. So you can add some more information if you want to. But then this prompt would be giving you a very nice response from ChatGPT if you use it. So once again, I'll be including this prompt on your tutorial assets folder. You can easily copy that, or you can go to this website here to actually look on for other ChatGPT prompts. So by now, you should have a solid understanding of how to use ChatGPT to create, optimize, and manage your Google Ads campaign effectively. So with the skills, you'll be well equipped to boost your digital marketing results and grow your business. So just keep experimenting, learning, and refining your strategies to stay ahead of this competition.